everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a size chart to your Shopify store. First, go to your Shopify admin panel, click on online store, then pages and click add page in the top right corner. Give your page a title and use the editor to add a table or an image. To add a table, click on the table icon and select insert table. You can adjust the number of columns and rows here, but there is a faster way to build the table, which is to use AI. So let's delete this and use AI to generate the table. Let's give this button a click and here we can type the instruction for the content that we want to generate. Once the table is generated, click Keep to add it to the editor. Customize the values to fit your product dimensions and delete the text on the bottom and at the top since we don't need it. Then click Save to finish. Next, let's customize our theme to add the size chart. So let's click on Customize and navigate to our product page using this drop down. Click on Products and click on any product template. You can click on this Change button to preview another product. I'm going to select this snowboard and since I have a different types of products, I want to add the size chart only for this snowboard and not for all the products. We can use page templates to add a size chart for specific products. To create a size chart, click on the drop down again, Products, click on Create Template. Then here give any name to your template. Click on Create Template. Next, open your product list and click on the product you want to add the size chart. For me, this snowboard and scroll down until you see Theme Template and select your new template and click Save. Back on the customizer again. Now I am going to select the product page template. I want to edit default products if I want to add the size chart to all the products or the new one that I created. If I want to add the size charts only for specific products, so I am going to select the new product page. We can add a new block here on the left under product information section. Let's select the pop-up and here what the pop-ups look like. Let's click on the pop-up to edit the settings. Here we can change the title of the pop-up. We can also connect a page to the pop-up. So let's click here and select size chart and let's go back. Here the pop-up and we can drag it to where we need it exactly. To be able to see the content of the top-up, we need to save the page first and then click on the pop-up and now we can see the table. We can also add the size chart as a collapsible row. So here again we need to add a block. We can select a collapsible row here and here is what it looks like. We can change the title and the content of the collapsible row. Again for the icon I can choose a ruler. And for the content I just need to select the size chart page again, then scroll down and take a look at the collapsible row. So here's the table. Thanks for watching my video and see you on the next one.